We want to look at an application problem for estimating numbers. So I provided you this data for some higher end cars. Those are current as of this video. And what we want to do, the instructions ask us to estimate the difference between the NSX and the LX570. So I want to go ahead and make sure I know which ones those are, so I'm going to circle those. So here's the NSX and here is the LX. So those are the numbers that I want to do something with. I notice that for the estimating it wants it to the nearest 1,000. So I'm going to do that first, and I'm going to write it out what I'm doing to make sure that everyone is following along. So if it's the nearest 1,000, I put a line, I draw an arrow. This number with the arrow is larger than 5, so this becomes 181,000. For the next one I have 86,935. To do the same thing. Again, the number above the arrow is larger than 5, so this becomes 87,000. So to find the estimated difference, I'm going to subtract these two numbers. 1 is less than 7, so I'm going to have to borrow. So 11 minus 7 is 4. Here at 7 is less than, so I'm going to borrow. So 17 minus 8 is 9. So this is my estimated amount. But now it wants us to calculate the exact difference and then see if that estimate is reasonable. So I'm going to take the original numbers and subtract the two of them. So what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video, and then when you come back, you'll see the answer. Welcome back. So you should have gotten 94,039. And now what you want to do is you're going to compare these two numbers, and the only difference is $39. So in this instance, this is a very reasonable estimate to have made.